Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my channel. I had made some really cute mini TNs or Traveler's Notebook pocket folders. I know you can usually make the Traveler's Notebook in the larger size for a more traditional Traveler's Notebook or TNs, and they have pockets, so they look like a folio or a pocket folder. But I wanted to make one using a 6x6 paper, and I just think it turned out so cute. So these are the ones that I had made. I did make a few more, and so I decided to add them into my shop. But these are the smaller TN pocket folders that I made. Look how cute they are, so small. Because usually they're much longer, slimmer, for more larger size. But I just thought making the smaller ones were really cute. So this is another one. And when you open it up, these are the two little pockets that you get inside to make the pocket folder, and then you can add all of your bits and pieces that you'll need for your traveler's notebook, like tags, washi sample, or little notes, and then you just slide it through the elastic of your traveler's notebook, and then you have one of these folders inserted inside. But these ones are just so cute, so small. And this is another one. I had placed a hidden paper clip. I had done a tutorial on how to make these, and they're so easy, pretty simple. So when you slide it on, you don't see the paper clip except at the back, but not it's not sticking down at the bottom here like the usual altered clips. And then this is the inside, so it's the same. So these are the two that I made, and I'm going to show you how to make these with your 6x6 paper if you want to make this size, and using the measurements that I had made. But then I also had made another one, and I made it into a little traveler's notebook as well. And then I've added a elastic here to keep it closed, and I made a cute little dangle to decorate the front of the elastic, and just did a bit of embellishing. So it was really another cute little note booklet, and I'll show you the inside. So over here there is the pocket, and then I placed a cute little teeny envelope so I could put in some little stickers in here, some little punched out die cuts with my paper punch, or put some little tiny word sentiments. I've got in here some washi sample, so you could decorate. I could decorate the pages with the washi sample, and I just added some photocopying paper, a doily to make some pages to use if I wanted to write some notes. Actually, I forgot to trim this little piece here. Just do that now. And then some more pages, and there's another doily, and then on the back is another pocket with another cute little envelope with some tags. So that just is a nice little spot for that. And I've just got one of these cute little paper clips with some satin ruffled flowers. And I like the way it's folded on the side here, so your pieces or that you insert in the pocket won't fall out. So there are other videos that show you how to make these, but I think most of them are more larger size ones for your more traditional traveler's notebook. But I think these little cute tiny small ones are so compact. You can add these into your little handbags. These make cute little teacher's gifts for Christmas or for any occasion. So I have a tutorial if you want to know how to make it with the elastic closure as well, and how to put your pages together, and I'll put that link down below. And it's the video where I showed how to make one of these larger size. These are just the notebooks. They didn't have any pockets. So I just wanted to do the tutorial so you could also see how to add one of these elastic closures to your notebooks if you want to make your own. So I will put that link down below for you. But these are the little packs that I made. I can get a random pack of 4 if you want to purchase these in my shop. So there'll be a random pack of 4 different prints. And I'm going to also make a little kit pack, I think, if you want to make one using the papers that I'm going to add in the kit. So I haven't put one together, but you will get one of these mini folders, these little mini envelopes. You'll also get a washi sample with 3 different washes on one of these, what they call them, like little clear plastic cards that I've cut up and punched out myself. You get some photocopying papers already cut up, and also a couple of doilies and a couple of tags. But when I list this, you'll see all the bits and pieces that's included in the kit as well. And with the papers, it will come with the papers, but it will come a little bit longer than the actual book. And then you just trim it down to wherever you like to trim your pages down to. So that just gives you an option to put your own size. So I'm just going to show you how to make these quite easily with one piece of 6x6 paper. So I'm just going to grab my paper. So just got my scoreboard here. So I'm going to place it on my scoreboard, and you're going to score on both sides. You want to score 1/2 inch on both sides in. So it's 1/2 inch. And we'll go to the middle at 3 inches and 5.5 inches. So it's 1/2 inch in and then 3 inches. And then you're going to turn the paper around, and I'm going to score mine at 1.5 inches. So this part here that I'm going to score, that is the depth of my pocket insert. So if that's not deep enough and you want it a bit higher or lower, you decide where you want to make your score line, and that will then determine how deep your pocket's going to be. But for my one, I'm going to score it at 1.5 inches, and that's all there is to that. And now we're just going to make a few cuts. So over here, actually what we'll do is we're going to fold the paper first. So we'll fold the paper in half at that 3 inch score line. And then we're going to cut it at an angle. You're going to see that score line here that you scored at 1.5 inches. So along that folder, we're just going to angle cut that a little bit up to that score line. So just like that. And then we'll open this up, and then that's how it will look. And now we're going to remove these 2 little parts here on the bottom here. So we're just going to cut up here, and then we're going to angle cut this just a little bit there to meet that, and then we'll do the same to this side. So that is how you've got your paper now. And now what we're going to do, you can use your corner rounder punch if you wanted to create a more nicer finish along the top here. If you don't have one, you could leave it, or you could angle cut these corners. But I'm just going to use my We Are Memory Keepers corner rounder punch. Just going to do that. And I'm going to fold these in. Alright, so that's what I've done here. Now at this point, we're going to fold these up, and you can decide with this part what you'd like to do on how you want to finish your pockets. So you can have it like this, which is how I've got it here, or you could have these folded parts going in, and then you have this side part wrapped around the front like that. So you can decide. And if you want to have it like this, you're just going to apply glue to these 2 sides and then close it up. But I know in some other videos what they do is they glue the whole sides here and then seal it off like that. But I didn't want to do that because it stops you from having that extra part in here, so I just thought if we just adhere it here, you'll have more opening. But I'm going to have my pockets on the outside, so to do that I'm going to corner around these two corners. Again, that's optional, you don't have to do that. Oh, I'm so sorry if you hear that noise. It's again my little dog. All right, so that is now how it's going to look. So I've corner rounded these four corners, just so you can see. So now I'm just going to adhere, place some glue just along here. And on this side. Sorry. So there we go. So that is all there is to making these little cute little mini travelers and notebook pocket folders. Really easy and so cute. I love how cute these look and so compact, and you use these as ways to add some goodies, and you can gift this to a crafty friend or to somebody you want to say thank you to, or just to cheer somebody up. And you can add all sorts of goodies in here. You can put some handmade jewelry or package handmade jewelry, earrings, or little trinkets, some sweets, note cards. So these are just some of the little sample ones that I made in case you want to have a go at making these with a 6x6 paper. And again, if you want to see how I made these closures, I'll put that link. And also I've got these packs in my shop. I'll also have a little kit pack if you want to make your own similar one to these cute little notebooks as well. So I do hope you enjoyed this easy, fun tutorial using 1 6x6 paper to make these TN notebook pocket folders. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.